What had been restored was not only presence, it was form, identity, but one thing remained the kingdom, Nishadha, lost not in battle, not by force, but in play, in error, unfinished. Sanalah punarapanna, swamrupam dharmavatsalah, rajyam pratyabhiyatavyam, manasa nishchitam tada. Having regained his true form, Nala resolved to go and reclaim his kingdom. He did not rush, he did not gather armies, because what had been lost would not be reclaimed by war. It would be faced, in the same place it had fallen, the game, but not as before, not in ignorance, not without control. What had once governed him no longer did. What had once been chance was now understood. And so he turned, not to battle, but to completion, toward Nishadha. He did not return with an army, no threat, no demand, only a challenge. The same game, the same place, where everything had been lost. Punardyutam samahvayat, pushkaram nal evatu, akshahirdayam labdva, sa vijayam pratyapadhyat. Nal again challenged Pushkar to a game of dice. Having obtained the knowledge of dice, he attained victory. Pushkar did not refuse. He had no reason to. What he held, he had already won. The kingdom, the power, and the one who had lost it stood before him again, alone, unchanged, or so it seemed. So he accepted, not with caution, with certainty, because victory once gained does not appear at risk. But the game had changed, not in rule, in the one who played. What had once been chance was now known. What had once been uncontrolled was now held. The game did not stretch, it ended, because this time it was not played in error, but in control. The game ended, not by chance, not by turn, by control. What had once been lost returned, the kingdom, Nishadha, restored. Jitva tu dyutuke tasmin pushkaram papakarmanam rajyamapa punarnalah swam viryena mahabala. Having defeated Pushkara, Nal regained his kingdom. Pushkara stood before him, no advantage, no defense. The moment did not ask who had won, it asked what follows. Power had returned, and with it, choice. Nahantavyo maya bhrata, rajyalubdho visheshatah. Jivatvam maya dattam rajyam, bhunkshva yatha sukham. He is not to be slain by me. Live, I grant you life, enjoy what is given to you. He did not strike, he did not repay loss with destruction, he ended it. Because what had been restored was not only a kingdom, it was balance. And balance does not continue the fall, it ends it. And in that, the victory was complete.